WordPress.com review: Is WordPress worth it for websites and blogs? If you're thinking about building a website or blog, WordPress.com is one of the most talked about platforms out there. In this review, we'll break down what WordPress.com offers, how it performs, and whether it's worth your time and money. WordPress.com is a hosted version of the powerful WordPress platform, meaning you don't need to manage your own hosting or worry about technical setup. You can choose a plan, pick a theme, customize your site with blocks and settings, and get started publishing content quickly. The platform is designed to make website creation accessible for beginners, while still offering enough flexibility for more advanced users. One of the biggest advantages of WordPress.com is the wide range of themes and customization options. Whether you're creating a personal blog, business site, or portfolio, you can find designs that fit your style and brand. The block editor makes it easy to lay out pages without needing to code, and there are options for adding images, videos, forms, and more. For blogging, WordPress.com is especially strong. It provides tools for writing posts, scheduling content, managing categories and tags, and engaging with readers through comments. Built-in SEO features help your content get discovered on search engines, and you can connect social accounts to automatically share new posts. E-commerce is also possible on WordPress.com with the right plan. You can set up a store, manage products, payments, and shipping, all from your WordPress dashboard. For business users, there are analytics and marketing tools to track performance and grow your audience. Performance and reliability are generally solid, with managed hosting that takes care of backups, security, and updates for you. While the free plan has limitations, paid plans unlock more storage, custom domains, and advanced features that make WordPress.com a flexible solution for many users. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, WordPress.com shines in making website creation simple and accessible. The wide selection of themes and built-in blogging features make it particularly appealing for bloggers and small business owners. Having hosting, security, and updates managed for you takes a lot of technical stress off your plate. On the downside, many of the more advanced features are only available on paid plans, and customization can feel limited compared to self-hosted WordPress.org. Plugin access, which can significantly extend functionality, is restricted unless you choose a higher tier plan. Beginners might also need a bit of time to get comfortable with the editor and settings. In summary, WordPress.com is a strong choice for anyone looking to build a website or blog without the hassle of managing hosting and technical maintenance. If you want an easy-to-use platform with room to grow, WordPress.com is definitely worth considering.